Duck fat roast potatoes would have to be one of my favorite dishes of all time. There's just something about it. Once you roast your potatoes in gorgeous duck fat from Luv-a-Duck, you'll never do your roast potatoes any other way. All I've done is just parboiled 500 grams of peeled and halved potatoes. These are just regular white potatoes. And now the magic ingredient, the duck fat. We want a couple of heaped tablespoons into the hot potatoes and a good pinch of salt. Don't be shy. And some freshly ground black pepper. And then all we want to do is just give this a gentle toss around. Now I've got the oven set at 200 degrees. We're going to cook these for 30-40 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Have a look at these beauties. I never get tired of duck fat roast potatoes. All I do is just finish that with a good sprinkle of salt on top. Duck fat roast potatoes. Duck, yeah.